Okay, I'm down here in the crawl space, just wanting to show what I've had to do for each of these spigots. Okay, this is the new spigot. It's got threads on the outside, but a solder joint there in the inside. This one had a what do you call it? Yeah, the name skips my mind right now. So I'm having to, that's basically what I had to do. One of them I actually had to add a coupling joint to it, but I had to put those on and solder them on. And I'll show it when I'm done because I can't hold the camera. Got my soldering equipment there. Okay, so I just got done soldering that one on. It's kind of a neck and back workout trying to get my head up in there. Lastly, I'll come back with the spray foam and fill in some spray foam in that hole. I'm coming around to do my final check after the water's turned on, and then as I go around, I'll put the foam in. So. Most people don't know that you're supposed to hold these cans upside down. So sometimes it's hard in places like this to get it in. And then I'm gonna do this 2 more times.